Introducing the StatLock IV Ultra Stabilization Device, the new standard in tape-free IV catheter stabilization. The StatLock stabilization device is an evidence-based method for catheter stabilization that meets the 2006 INS standards and is clinically proven in published studies to protect you and your patients. An observational study recently published in the Journal of Infusion Nursing demonstrated that use of the StatLock IV stabilization device reduced total complications up to 67%, including significant reductions in phlebitis and unscheduled restarts. Using the StatLock IV Ultra Stabilization device has been proven to save nurses a considerable amount of time, and it is also designed to provide enhanced patient comfort. So watch and listen closely to this brief instructional video. Once the vessel is cannulated and connected to an extension set or injection port, cleanse and degrease the targeted securement area using 1 to 2 alcohol pads, removing oils or lotions if present. Be sure to prep both sides of the catheter hub. Allow it to dry completely. Next, and very important for skin protection and maximal adherence, apply the provided skin protectant pad over the same area. Allow it to dry completely for 10 to 15 seconds. Once again, first alcohol, then per your clinical judgment, skin protectant. Finally, allow each to dry completely. Before placing the StatLock IV Ultra Stabilization device over the catheter hub, position the catheter so that the push tab points up. Then orient the anchor pad so that the blue arrows point toward the catheter tip. When engaging the StatLock IV Ultra device to the catheter hub, be careful to avoid inadvertently squeezing the blue retainer closed. Instead, simply press the retainer over the catheter hub to capture the push tab. The StatLock IV Ultra device secures the catheter with virtually no catheter motion. Now, place the StatLock IV Ultra device on the patient's skin by peeling away the StatLock device's release liner one side at a time. It's as simple as prep, press, peel, and place. Once the StatLock IV Ultra device is securely placed, dress the catheter insertion site per your agency's policy and procedure. Removal of the StatLock IV Ultra Stabilization device is easy. Just dissolve the StatLock device's adhesive and disengage the retainer from the catheter hub. All StatLock devices have an alcohol-soluble adhesive. Therefore, to remove the StatLock IV Ultra Stabilization device, first, simply take 3 to 4 alcohol pads and apply a generous amount of alcohol to a corner of the StatLock device's pad. Then lift the corner and dissolve one side of the pad with alcohol while gently lifting. Carefully disengage the catheter from the StatLock device's retainer. Then continue to remove the rest of the anchor pad with alcohol. Dissolve, disengage, and dissolve. Removing the StatLock device is as simple as that. The StatLock IV Ultra Stabilization device, the new standard in IV catheter stabilization.